Okay, so this is my food. This is well, there's not really, I'll be honest, totally honest, there's not really a great deal of flavour in this. Very, very busy inside the restaurant. Full with customers. Oh, we've got copyright music here, but you can see how busy that is. Spa behind there. Wow, super sat here as well. They're lovely ice cream. Sat in there. Many different ones available there. Some very nice t-shirts and things. Very, very nice. Good evening from the Trang here in Vietnam. So it's 7 p.m. and the reason that I'm having to put this to my mouth tonight rather than on my shirt is the restaurant that I'm going to feature in tonight is so busy, it's so loud, it's absolutely packed with customers in the restaurant, hence I'm using the microphone here at my as close to my mouth as possible so you can hear what I have to say. So I'm actually here at a restaurant tonight called Coco Bay. It's on one of the narrow alleyways, sandwiched between two of the main streets here in Nha Trang. And this is what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you. I'm going to be having my evening meal here. So I'm going to order my food, I'm going to order a drink. I shall give you a full review of the food. I'll give you a tour around the restaurant as well. It's so busy inside, but I'm just going to walk in between all of the people, just show you around. It is really busy. I've been walking along the streets here in the Trang during the day, trying to find out my places where I want to eat at during an evening time, and this is one of the ones I've had on my list, and hence I'm here tonight to feature in the video. So I'm going to give you a full food review on the food that I'm going to order, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the start point of the actual narrow alleyway that it's located on and take you all the way from one end to the other and just show you all of the restaurants, shops and everything and all the activity on the street during an evening time here in the Trang. Okay, so this is a restaurant where I'm going to have my dinner this evening, Coco Bay restaurant, Vietnamese food. It has this entrance on the corner here. I'm going to take you for a walk along this street after, and it has this entrance here as well. Just going to take you through. It is very busy inside. It's very busy inside the restaurant. Full with customers. Very difficult to watch it, but you can see how many customers in here. Stretches right back. Wow. Very busy. Full. Every table full. This is a look at my table where I'm seating. Plastic chairs, little things, your knives, forks, chopsticks there. So this is what I'm going to have for dinner tonight. This is the seafood pineapple fried rice. There's some of the other dishes available. A few other fried rice dishes there. And then for my drink, I'm just going to have a Sprite. Okay, so this is my food. This is a pineapple seafood fried rice. Very interesting. So here's a red snapper with side salad, 129,000 Vietnam dong. Also have a rice as well with that. Okay, so for my drink, I've just gone with the simple Sprite. I'm actually kind of juiced out because I've had a couple of juice drinks during the day, avocado, mango. I'm actually finding the juice drinks are a little bit of a hit and miss here in the Trang. Some taste okay, some are not so good, and if it's not so good, I tend to actually throw it away. This pineapple looks very interesting. Let's just get my knife and fork. Oh, we don't have a knife, we only have spoons. You can either have chopsticks or spoons. Let's give one of the shrimps a go first of all. Hopefully that's good, as good as it looks. I wouldn't say it's super tasty, that. I'm a bit hit and miss with the actual seafood here in the Trang. Last night I had pumpkin soup with prawn in, so not too good. I can't actually see the actual pineapple. It's in a pineapple, but I can't see any pineapple. There's sweet corn. Looks as though there's carrot in there, some little chives or something as well. So after having a few mouthfuls of the rice, I can actually taste a little bit of pineapple in it. There are only small chunks of pineapple, but there's not really, I'll be honest, totally honest, there's not really a great deal of flavour in this. So I just want to show you, it doesn't go too deep into the pineapple, so it's a very, very small portion. Just wipe my mouth, sorry. Okay, so I should just give you my final thoughts now on my meal here at Coco Bay restaurant on this narrow alleyway here in Nha Trang. So I had the pineapple seafood fried rice. What can I say what I already haven't said? It's just very basic food. It just gets really small portion again, but I'm finding out every restaurant I've eaten at here in the Trang very relatively small portions. The pineapple was the main big thing on the actual plate itself, which makes it look a very, very big dish. However, that wasn't actually the case. The prawns were okay, not the best seafood, not the best, or shrimp, not the best I've tasted or had. The rice was very bitty, it wasn't like full grain rice, and just really realistically not too much in the way of flavour. I'm not going to say it's bad food, because it wasn't bad food. I'm just going to give it a sort of like an okay. So now I've finished my food, I'm going to take you for a walk on this narrow alleyway that the restaurant is located on. It's sandwiched in between two of the main streets, so I'm going to go to the point of one of the main streets, and then I'm going to walk all the way through to the other main street. Okay, so I've just got the bill. Both meals come to 380,000 Vietnam dong, including the 2 drinks as well. Okay, so this is one of the entrances to the night market here in Nha Trang, and this is where we're going to be heading this evening. Show you the street. You can see how busy it is on the street. Lots of tourists here, and then we're going to be heading across the street along this alleyway here. Banh mi fast food there. Oh, busy again, people queuing. People sat along the side here as well. Trang roll ice cream here. People are parking their motorbikes. Another roll ice cream here. They usually make it on this thing here. There's all the different ones, 40,000 Vietnam dong. You see, it's very busy. Some drinks here. 20k those are. Some drinks. Halloween chicken, this one's called. It's never really busy, this. Let me just show you a combo set here. 32k for the combo. Hello, how are you? There's the inside of the restaurant. You can see not too popular, that one, for some reason. Banh mi's and things here. Wow. Things on the menu, the drinks. There's a little place here as well. Coconuts here. 20,000 for a coconut. People sat here as well. They're lovers seating upstairs as well there. It's not easy weaving in and out of the bikes. I don't know why they let the bikes come down these places here. He is making the ice cream now. I'll show you him making the ice cream. Just from our ice cream. This is the restaurant I've just eaten in, Coco Restaurant, Vietnamese food. Very, very popular restaurant that. Like a white monkey calf bar here. Sat in there. And here's the other side of the Coco Restaurant where I've just eaten. You can see it's still very, very busy. People queuing up to get in as well. Not my favourite restaurant here in the Trang. Another place here. This is shawarma. This is a place called Eric's Shoes. T-shirts. Some here. The trainers as well there. Very nice. Going on from Eric's Shoes, we have a barber's here. Motorbike for rent here. Here's the number in case you want to contact and find out how much a motorbike is. Nice looking motorbikes actually, those. Wow. Nails here. Chick Korean chicken swag. A nice clothing shop here as well. Tattoo studio. I think we're coming to the end now. Oh, I've just walked past one place. Another little small place here again. A few people in there as well. Another little side alley there. Kitty's World of Perfumes, this one's called. There's a collection of all the perfumes in the side there. Do the money exchanging as well here. Tattoo, another tattoo and piercing studio there. This area, Italian food, this one. It's not too busy in there. Another restaurant here. Oh, this one might interest many. Cheap. It's quite popular inside of there as well. Oh, it's a full restaurant actually in there as well. Little places for your juice drinks. You can see the juice drinks here. 15,000, 20,000, 10,000. All your fruits. This is a standard price for the juice drinks, 25,000. Many different ones available there. Some are 35 as well there. Fruit and things here. We do actually have, I've missed walk past it, we have a ladies' dress shop as well here. And then this is one of my favourite shops here. I've just bought a hat from here with some very nice t-shirts and things. Very nice stuff. 50% off sale. Bags, North Face. Many nice looking bags. Very good copies actually in here. North Face jacket. A nice unique jacket there. T-shirts. And then we've already arrived through to the other main street. This is a street where my hotel's located. Sata Hotel is just over there. I'll take you to my hotel from here. tea. Massage spa here. Mina Spa, that one's called. The girl's just out the front there. Golden Hands Spa. And this is my hotel, Sata Hotel.